Hello, I'm Jesse Yang. This video's topic is create the drop-down menu in Angular 17 application. In this video, I will using three methods to show you how to create drop-down menu using bootstrap, file, ngModel, CSS, and the JS file links. Okay, first let me show you the method one. Method one, we in my application, okay, let me show you my application. This is my Angular application. Actually, is 17. I already upgrade. Okay, from 15 to 17. Right. First, we need add the CSS link and the JS link in the index HTML file. Okay, from here to right link. This is the first step. Second, we need to create a drop-down menu using PowerShell terminal. Okay, let me show you how to do that. If in here, okay, this is my Bootstrap location. I right-click this folder, then click Open in Terminal. Then in here, I just type ng, right? Generate component. My component, I using the drop-down. Drop-down. Okay. Because I already have drop-down created, so I using drop-down S. Let me show you drop-down in my project. Okay, this is drop-down already created, right? Let me create a different name. I using drop-downs. See, automatically create the drop-downs component, right? Let me show you drop-downs. See, it's already created. Okay, right. Stage 3, step 3, we add drop-down code in the drop-down component HTML file. We include this drop-down. This is div, right? This is like a container, right? Div container. Then add a button. Okay. Then add a menu. Div menu, right? Then drop-down item. Okay. This I using a class is come from Bootstrap button primary, drop-down toggle. Okay. And this is data BS toggle equal drop-down. This behavior is like later the drop-down list can toggle. Okay. I already created this in my code. Okay, let me show you. Drop-down HTML, I already put the code in here, right? Drop-down. Okay. Then step 4, is remove the whole drop-down button prime, or drop-down toggle class in style sheet CSS. Okay. So current style, not style sheet, styles, style CSS, or another related CSS file. Here in my style CSS file, I already removed related, but see, drop down button, drop down button primary, right? Yeah, this I already come out. Okay, navy bar or something. Because if I using this one, this is different from the bootstrap. Maybe make my code, the drop down conflicted. Okay, so after that, I will later I will show you what happened if we are using this code. Okay. So then, step 5, import declare drop-down component in app module ts file. App module. Okay, here we just here app this module already created, right? We will use it. So here, drop-down component, we put here, import, right? Yeah, import. Here is the drop-down component. Here, declare drop-down component. Step 6, integrate the drop-down component into nav menu component. It's very simple, okay? Because this is a nav menu component is just a menu bar, We just add this menu. This menu is drop-down. Another menu, just a line menu, okay? The horizontal line menu. Okay. So we need to add this to the nav menu component, the HTML. You can see here I already add. Show you menu component here. App drop down, right? We just add the tag. Now see here. That's all. Nav item. Okay. This. So next step. Okay, you can see my code here. We using the navbar, right? Navbar collapse, navbar nav, right? Nav link. So this reason why I will remove come out the same name classes from my styles CSS file. Okay, that's all. It's done, right? It's done. Then we can test. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. We can build. We can run it. Okay, the drop down button is already created, right? You can see in here. You can click sign up, and click the login, and can click Angular. Yeah, everything is work fine. Okay, so before we drop down button, right? This we use in different way. Let me show you. Actually, I already changed some. We can go to the HTML file. See? Okay, I added something. You can see before. So this is I added the drop down assign. If I remove drop down sign, what happened? I can show you. Drop down. If I save drop down, okay. See, this drop down button. Drop down button is go up, right? Go up. It's not in the same level. So this reason why I added the added the class. Yeah, this class in here. I add. Okay, what class we can see? Okay, let me first save it. I add it into the CSS file. Can see here drop down, drop down. Okay, here drop down, right? Drop down assign the margin top 8 pixel, right? 8 pixel. So after I save it, we can share. I can show you. Save it. See, currently go down, right? In the same. Okay. Another things. I add drop down menu. Here, I add border now. Border now. Before, if I move border now, yeah, what happened? We can show you. Border now. Okay. See, border, right? It looks not good, right? Looks not good. So I remove the border. I using the class. Border equal now. Okay, I said this. In style CSS, right? Here, border now. Okay, here. Okay. This is that, right? Mr. One. Okay. Let me talk to the Mr. Two. Mr. Two is a little different. Okay. We don't need include a file already in there, right? CSS file and the JS file. in index HTML5. So we just need to create the drop down. I create a drop down menu. We say drop down menu using, before we just using drop down. Currently using drop down menu. We create a new drop down menu. Then create drop down classes inside. This is already done, right? I tell you. Okay. Then add a drop down code in the drop down menu component HTML5. So this is different. Before we using button, currently I change it to the span, right? I remove the button classes. Okay. Drop down button classes. Okay, different, right? Oh, here is using span. Then here is classic drop down menu. Okay, this is button ID here. We click here, then trigger this drop down menu. Okay, here, this is the reason our drop down menu. Okay, here we using ngFor, right? ngFor data option or drop down options. We create the drop downs in the TS file. Okay, TS file. Then we click here. We create a function to function on drop down select, then select the value, right? Option value. Then display different page. Okay, here. Okay, this. Let me show you my code. Okay, drop down menu here. Right? Drop down, assign the same. Drop down toggle. Okay, this IDs button, this is same. The different here is span, right? Or here we have previous code. Previous code, we using button. This we not a button, right? We just remove the button. Just keep the drop down toggle, right? Yeah, type removed. Yeah. Okay. Here is a drop down variable. Okay, like array. Here is a function. On drop down select. Okay. So next step, we need add code into drop down menu component TS file. So import, right? Okay, let me show you this file in the drop down menu component TS file. We import input. Okay, here is input. Before, when you create the component, it automatically creates the component, not input. So currently we put import. Then input route from here. Then create the interface. Okay, option interface. Include value and the label. Okay, here we put input here. Input. This declare array, like initial array. They declare their initial array, right? Drop down option. This drop down option, the option list come from navy menu component. Okay, so we use input, right? Input it means come from menu, name menu. Okay, this drop down list come from this here. Then in the constructor, we inject the root. Okay, here root. The purpose, we need a create a function, then using root to navigate each page. Okay, here is just select any page, any option, right? Okay. Here, okay, done. Then we same thing. We need a import and declare drop-down menu component in app module TS5. Okay, same thing. Okay. We can check. Yeah, component menu, right? Drop-down menu. Drop-down menu component. Okay, drop-down menu component import here. Then last integrate drop-down component into nav menu component. Nav menu component. So the nav component we just using here is a variable, array variable, right? Variable. Okay, it's drop down. Drop down. We put it here. There's a tag, right? Tag. Here is interface. We in the nav menu component TS5. We need put the interface. Create interface same. Then this here is option list, right? Option list here. From here, import to the job menu file. Okay. So let me show you. Drop down select, drop down menu, and then here. Okay. We here we create interface, right? Then we declare drop down array, drop down array, a list, right? Drop down array. Okay, here. Yeah, drop down L option here, right? That's all. Okay, this is done. So after that, let me test. Okay, this is drop down menu here. See, drop down menu, link, sign up, angle. Okay, get this. Oh, doesn't work. The reason is because this we will call the web API, but my web API didn't load in. Okay, let me load in. Web API here, web API, we can load in. Okay, yes, web API. Okay, let's go to web API. We get all the data. Get all the data. Okay, see, there's the data come, right? Same thing is from here, editors, we can go to see all the data we can already edit. Click here. We can edit anything. Okay, then save. Okay. Okay, this done. The second menu. Okay, the master 3. Master 3, I create a drop-down menu using the same different things. This is the same. Okay, using the drop-down menu select. I create a drop-down menu select. Then I using in the drop-down select the component HTML file. I using ngModel, select ngModel. Okay. Then I using different method is change, not click. Change. Then trigger the function, same function, but different things. We using the any event target value. This value is come from this value. Okay, like this value. Okay. This we still using ngFor let option, right? Options. Okay, it's the same label. Okay, yeah. This is a similar method too, but different is our code, right? The backend code, not backend, in the TS code in the same model component, not a different component. So we will add this same, right? The select, we declare a variable is a select value, the string, then option, the same, right? Yeah, this different. Oh, this is the same. Okay, I created the option list value label. Okay. We can see from here. Drop down select. We first using the class. We drop down sign, same thing. Okay. Here is no border, same, right? Select the value. Okay. We already have select the value, right? Here is option. Yeah, we can see option. I can show you here, right? This variable is selected value, right, in here. Then options, right? We have options array. Options array, here is array, right? Yeah. So we can see HTML5, we can see, select this variable, right? This variable. Like a selected value, like a default value. We select first when we load this page, which the drop-down list select. Okay, this one. Then click this, right? Trigger the target value, which you selected. Then we display different the page, right? Using this way. Okay, option select. Okay, same thing. We import, declare, drop down, select the component in app module, PS5. Same thing. Then integrate the integrate component, right, into the nav menu, right? This. Okay, let me show you. Here is nav menu. Nav, we don't need to put any code in the nav TS file. Nav menu here are just the HTML file. Here, drop down select. We just put the tag, right? App drop down tag. Select tag. That's all. Okay. So after that, we can test it. That's all. We can test it. You can test the select menu here. Select menu. And go to login. Okay, we can go to sign up. We can go to regular. We can go to get is different. Get is okay. Get is you can delete or something. Okay, it's different. Okay, the different things here selected before is home, right? I just using the select menu. Okay, this is default menu. Okay, or I using home, no problem, right? Just a name, right? Uh, in my code, I write here. Yeah. Oh, okay, here, right? This home before, if we using the forward slash, it's home, means home, right? In the, can show you in the app module, we define the thing now is this home, right? This home. If just this is home, yeah, we just this is home. So I just change the home to the here. I just change home right here to the select menu. Okay, that's all. Current three method already complete, but I need to mention you about something. Before I said the style sheet, right? I drop down the style sheet. If, for example, let me using style sheet, see what happened. If I restore the style sheet, some bar, what happened? Okay, from here, button right here, button primary, right? From here, okay, I can start button drop down. Okay, we drop down here. Okay. Okay, start. Okay, roll back. See what happened. Let me go to the. Okay. You can see, right? Change it, right? It's total change. Okay, so total change. Okay, so because this code is with and with the bootstrap code is conflict. This reason. If I come out, this because involve the button. I can keep this. It's okay. Read. Okay. I can keep this. Come out. Oh. Mm. Let me save. See what happened. See, right? Yeah, it's good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, another thing is version. We using the CSS and the JS link, right? If the version changes, we'll change the appearance, the drop-down appearance. So current we use it. Okay, let me show you the index HTML. I using 5.3, right? This version. This like a short bootstrap 5, right? If we are changing the later version 3 or changing previous older version, maybe it doesn't work. Okay, I save, then I show you the interface. Let's see what happened. See, total different, right? Total different. Okay, come from here. Okay, so change it back. Cool. Okay, cool. See, so fun, right? Okay, so let me summarize this video. Okay, I just introduce this video using 3 ways to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Angular 17 application using Bootstrap 5, ngModel, ngFor. Okay, we can use ngFor here. Okay, ngFor CSS and the JS file link, right? So method 1, we just using the this to link in the index file, then create a drop-down menu component, then add the HTML code into drop-down component HTML file. It's easy, right? This is simple, easy way. Then remove all duplicated class from the styles CSS or other related CSS file. Import and declare drop-down component into app module TS file. Okay, here. Then integrate drop-down menu component into the name menu component. Okay, here, right? Yeah, this is method 1. This is method 2. Method 2. Method 2 is a little different. We just using the same thing. This is same. I'll first create the drop-down menu component. Drop-down menu component. Okay. This create the in the style sheet file, right? This class we create. Here is add the drop-down menu HTML file. HTML file we using the before using button, here using span different. Okay. So little change. Okay, we using this option list. We put the option list in the two way. One is drop-down menu component. Another is name bar, right? Component, different. So we first put here, right? We created the option list, right? Then function, drop-down select function. Here we add the component, add code to the component TS file, import input here, right? Import input, then import root, then create an interface option, then declare initial drop-down option array, right? Initial, this is drop-down array here. Okay, then inject the root into constructor, then create the on drop-down select function, right? Navigate here. Then the import declare drop-down menu component in app module TS file. Here integrate the drop-down component into name menu component. Okay, name component, one is HTML file. We just put the drop-down, this option, drop-down option, right, in here. Okay, then create in the name menu component TS file, we import created interface option, then put the declare the drop-down selection, not selection, drop-down option, right, for option list. Okay, this is the method 2. Method 3 is different way. We using select. We using select, right? Using ngModel. Okay, this is select value. This is we using change event to trigger this on drop-down selected function right here. Okay, here we just put the drop-down component TS file in we declare select the value. This is a default value, like, okay, default, we should write here. Default value, label value, default label and value. Okay, then put here is integrate import not import declare drop-down select the component into app module ex5. Then integrate the drop-down select the component into name menu component. Yeah, just put here. Okay, this is done. Hope this video will help you in your application development. Welcome to subscribe my channel free and give me feedback for my future to provide more and better videos for you. Thanks. Bye-bye.